Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can catch the golden script Supervisor B. Looks like this. And basically, you are going to go to Nanua. He is located here at the moment. And you're just going to want to select the script Supervisor B event. And then you're going to then start it. Here, as you can see, it started already. So you can either join somebody or you can start it yourself. Then you're just going to basically start catching insects. It doesn't matter if you catch the bees or the butterflies or like the supervisor bees, especially. You just need to go to phase 2. Once you reach the second phase, you still need to catch some of the insects. Sometimes you go immediately to the last phase. I think I could be wrong, but as you can see, this is the transfer position to phase 2. And you're just going to continue catching insects. Then you'll get this notification here, and then you're going to be transferred to the camp. And that will be the last phase of the insect catching event. And this is where you're able to then catch the golden um, script supervisor bee. And here is what the bee looks like. And yeah, that is how you can get the golden script supervisor bee in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.